Fuck is my lighter?
You're now listening to the smooth sounds of Rick and Daddy's music.
They say blood thicker than water until you get a taste of your own blood. Everybody does until they get a taste of them slugs. Say I'm different because I got tats and slugs. Outcasted cause I got bug. Outlasted the fake kisses and hugs. Me mug the mud cause it came from the mud. Like the lawn service. After service I need a blow job. They say new material, you like a new construction job. Eating too much. Fuck it, say I'm a blog. Fuck it, fuck the blog. Joints, axe man, law. Smoke outside, creating fall. Think I'm coming through the clouds, man, oh Lord. She broke it in the fan with no cord. Never walking with your head down, walking with your head up. You walking with your head down, you're bound to get your head bust. Calculated steps so they don't get us. Some of us get caught up in cup, the rest of us split up. The pour more hand in the cup. You don't give a damn, give a fuck. You can be rough, tough, and buff, but that's not enough. That's that Walt Disney, Hillary Duff stuff. I thrust to the crust to catch the unjust. I love being an artist, debating who the hard is. This music, what my heart is. Nigga, I ain't starving. Fuck you mean? It's me against the world and I'm gonna win. I ain't trying to say I'm perfect, I still sin. But when it comes to money, nigga, war begin. I don't even give a fuck if you a family or friend. You see, I get it how I live, and I live how I get it. And this money over bitches, and this bitches over snitches, and this snitches over nothing. These pistols that I'm busting, I find out where you live, fuck, nigga, I'm coming. And I ain't trying to walk, fuck, nigga, I'm running. And I ain't trying to fight, fuck, nigga, I'm bumming. Got guns the size of refrigerators. My vest eat up bullets, call me the Terminator. They send their best investigators to exterminators. Fuck you mean, boy, we worse than the third war. Terminators, nigga,